Hi, my name is Michael, and I've always dreamed of being self-employed, owning my own business and being my own boss. I've tried several multi-level marketing companies. I've owned rental properties and even did stock trading. All of them were great experiences because I learned a lot. Especially I learned that I didn't want to do any of those things. But since then I felt stuck and thought that my only solution was starting an online business. But I didn't know where to start or what type of business I would open. When I saw Dan Locke's webinar presenting a high-ticket certification program, I was surprised because Dan provided a solution I didn't know existed, and that is the option of becoming a professional high-ticket closer. As soon as the webinar finished, I was sure to sign up as soon as possible. Now, I've done several courses in the past, other programs as well, most of them being on-demand video. And truthfully, it probably took me longer to complete the courses because there wasn't a teacher or mentor present. I'd watch the videos, then re-watch the videos just to learn the content. That isn't the case with Dan Locke. During the high-ticket closer certification course, Dan presents live teaching and mentorship. And besides that, he's created an online community of students who help one another and support one another in our journey of becoming high-ticket closers. Now I have a good job with an international company, but I plan to use my new skills as a closer to supplement my current income. And in the near future, I hope to become a full-time professional high-ticket closer.